Okay, so this is just a little bit of a follow-up on my previous video about the simple little Charlieplexed LEDs. I was using the camera in non-HDR mode, um, or high dynamic range, so it wasn't getting the colors very well. And as you can see, the diffuser tends to show off the white when a lot of the components in the LED are lit up. But without the diffuser in this color mode, you can actually see the individual colors. And I've slowed it down a little bit. It's actually running at a random speed and a random color rotation. The processor, if I can get up close here, is just, it's an A-Tiny 85 on a DigiKey Kickstarter type format. Possibly a clone because I got it just from eBay. It's only got about 5 pins and only really about 4 or 5 of them are useful. Well, no, usable, but for doing this, you only need 4 pins for this particular setup. Anyhow, I can pick which LED, what color, all of that, as you can imagine. I just have it running random here. If you look carefully, depending on how fast it's going, you can actually see the progression up the tower, as it will. But when it gets going really fast, you can sort of lose track of what order it's flashing in. Again, this is really small because that connector there is actually a smartphone jack. The processor is so small on that. It's actually smaller than the EEPROM or the EEPROM memory that's closest to us, or a little bit of flash memory there. And then the smaller chip is actually the processor. Smaller chip is a 5-volt regulator. That's the AT-Tiny 85. And then I just mounted the header on in a straight through fashion rather than vertical. It suits more of my projects. And then I have a coupler for this board because really I made this first to run off my much bigger Arduino Mega. But all you would have to do is supply 5 volts to that little board there. I'm just pulling it from USB right now. And as you can see, it's quite bright. Those LEDs are incredibly bright when you're looking down them. If I can give you the top-down look. It's quite intense when you're looking straight down. I don't know if I can hold that any steadier. But anyhow, they're quite bright. And with the diffuser, you get more of the actual color that's mixed inside. So you can see the oranges, greens, and blues that actually come out. Whereas here you tend to see, without the diffuser, the last of the pure colors that's come out. Anyhow, that's that, and thanks for watching.